How to review hidden from profile on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review hidden from profile on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just click activity log, and then go down and click look at actions and other activity, and click hidden from profile, and here you can review hidden from profile on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. uh, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.